Okay, the older I get, the harder it is to build these types of things. So this is a Yardworks snow thrower, and I put it together right there. We're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna take a little trip outside and see how it works. There's not a heck of a lot of snow, but we'll see. Like I said, it's not too bad. The streets are clear, and there's just a little bit of a coat on the driveway. I salted the other day, or yesterday. Hitting some dirt. That shit, man, throws that shit. Let's see if it hits that, when it hits that big stuff right there in the curve. A little bit of a tough time. Okay, now if you look, got a little walkway and driveway cleared. And it made really quick work of that. I mean, there was about, I don't know, not even 5 minutes instead of shoveling. Really quick. Let's see how long this lasts. I'm probably going to have to do this front part with the shovel because it's kind of solid. That stuff right there by the street. But, that should take me like 5 minutes, not even that. But all in all, pretty good, pretty fast. Electric, you got to have it plugged in. It's kind of a little bit of a hassle messing with the cord. But I guess we're going all electric this year with, my new lawnmower, electric lawnmower, and then, this snow thrower. Pretty good so far. And I guess it just so happens I got, a Yardworks electric lawnmower, and then I bought this manual mower, just to push by yourself. And then, of course, the snow thrower. It's all from Menards. Now, I mean, I'm not paid by Menards, and I just happen to need this stuff and bought this stuff this year. But anyway, stuff's working pretty good so far. I only got one